Cebua. Cebua pass to jersey number 73. Pass to Caparas, back to Cebua. Shot, no good. Rebound by jersey number 28. Pass to Banta. Cebua dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 6. No good. Same ball. Last 12 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 73 outside. The ball goes to CY7. Banta. Banta pass to jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 17. No good. Rebound by 23. No good again. Here comes jersey number 73. Pass to Jerus. Jerus is stolen by jersey number 23. Pass to outside. Last 20 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 23 fires for 3. No good. Here comes Cebua. Cebua is stolen by jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 7. Pass to Cebua. Last 8 minutes, but there's a foul. Jersey number 28 committed first personal foul. First team foul. First try para kay Cebua. No good. Second try. No good again. Here comes Banta. Banta. Pass to jersey number 9, Carlos for 3. No good. Binondo ace ball. Here comes Cebua. Cebua. Pass to jersey number 73. Pass to Valenzuela. Valenzuela pass to outside. Green ball. Last 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Here comes Banta. Banta bring down the ball. Pass to outside. Jersey number 7. Pass to Jerus. Jerus, no good. Rebound with jersey number 28. Pass to Banta. Banta. Banta pa rin nabitangan ng bola. Banta. Nakakuha na ni Cebua. Cebua, behind the back. Laser up. 2 points para kay Cebua. First 2 points of the game. Here comes Carlos. Bring down the ball. Carlos. Pass to jersey number 23. No good. Binigay kay Banta. Pass to Haller. Inangat. Last 14 seconds. Here comes Jerus. Pass to Cebua. Cebua pa rin nabentangan ng bola. Pass to Valenzuela. Valenzuela, pinali, wala, nakuha ni jersey number 28. Pass to Haller. Haller, pump, stolen by Valenzuela. Nakuha na ng jersey number 28. Jersey number 28. Blocked by Valenzuela. Pass to Caparas. Pass to Banta. Banta pa rin ang bentanga ng bola. Pass to Haller. Pass to jersey number 17. Fires for 3. No good. Here comes Haller. Haller pump. No good again. Rebound by Valenzuela. Pass to jersey number 76. Maderal. Last 4 minutes. Caparas. Green ball. All the ball ref substitution. Last 4 minutes and 3 seconds. Banta, bentanga ng bola. Bentanga pa rin ng pass to jersey number 2, Magpili. Pass to jersey number 9, Carlos, wala. Nakuha ng outside. The ball goes to Binondo Aces. Last 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Here comes Sebua. Sebua dribbling the ball. Pass to Maderal. Easy 2 points para kay Maderal. Dead ball bossa. Here comes Banta. Pass to jersey number 28. Jersey number 28. Pass to Magpili for 3. No good. Here comes Carlos. Looking for his teammates. Back to Magpili. Pass to Sailanim. Outside. Hold the ball ref. Substitution. Here comes Sebua. Pass to jersey number 1, Solis. Pass to Jerus. Sinangat, wala. Nakuha ni jersey number 9. Pass to Magpili. Magpili pa rin. Fake shot. 2 points by Magpili. Valenzuela, pass to Sebua pa rin. Guarded by Magpili. Sebua is stolen by Magpili. Jersey number 2, nagmamadali. Fake, spin, shot. No good. Here comes Valenzuela. Pass to jersey number 1. Last 2 minutes. Solis for 3 points. 2 points. 3 points. Si Repe. Substitution. Jersey number 3, Dizon in. Jersey number 17, at 20 out. Here comes Magpili. Pass to jersey number 23. Haller, pass to jersey number 3. Dizon, shot. No good. Rebound by Jerus. Pass to Valenzuela. Back to Sebua. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Sebua using the glass. No good. Rebound by Haller. Pass to Magpili. Pass to Dizon. Using the glass. Napalakas. 2 points para kay Carlos. Last 50 seconds. Sebua passes Jerus, but there's a foul. Jersey number 3, Dizon committed first personal foul. Last 42 seconds. First try, no good. Second try. Basket is good para kay Jerus. Score 8 4-point lead para sa Binondo Aces. Here comes Magpili. Herbal, last 32 seconds. Solis. Solis pa rin. Binigay kay Dizon. Is stolen by Madernal. Last 18 seconds. Pass to Solis. Green ball. Last 12 seconds. Dizon. Pass to jersey number 28. Pass to outside. Last 7 seconds. Last 6 seconds. Magpili for Chubi. No good. Here comes Magpili again. End of the first quarter.
Alas 8 kayo siya, pagtingin ko, putang na, sabi ko 8:45 eh.
Back to the ball game. Banta, pass to jersey number 2. 3 points para kay jersey number 26. Here comes Madonna. Pass to Solis. Solis looking for his teammates. Back to Maderal. Back to Solis. Shot. No good. Rebound by Haller. Pass to Banta. No good. Rebound by jersey number 31. Blocked by Banta. Last 16 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 23. Shot no good. Rebound by Solis. Solis pa rin. Pass to Fred. Fred dribbling the ball. Last 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Here comes Cebuan. No good. Outside. Time left 8 minutes and 35 seconds. Here comes Banta. Banta pasok sa ilalim, but there's a foul. Jersey number 31, Cebua, committed first personal foul, first team foul. First try para kay jersey number 31, basket is good. Second try. No good. Rebound by jersey number 26. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to jersey number 26. 2 points. Timeout! Binondo Aces. Time left 8 minutes and 10 seconds.
Here at Span Asia Carrier, we work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37, our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessel. And Span Asia 53, powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology, doubling our standard capacity to 629 TEUs. We offer 7 shipping services. Partner with us today. Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation. Moving with you.
Binigay sa kalaban, Padilla inangat, wala, nakuha ni Magpili using the glass, no good. Rebound by Solis, pass to Jesus, 2 points para kay Jesus. Here comes Magpili. Magpili bring down the ball. Magpili pa rin, binigay kay Padilla, shot, no good. Rebound by Valenzuela. Valenzuela looking for his teammates, pass to Solis, pass to Jesus. Pass to Haller. Haller, but there's a foul. Jersey number 30, second personal foul. Time left 7 minutes and 23 seconds. First try para kay Haller. No good. Second try. Basket is good. Here comes Valenzuela. Pass to Solis. Solis. Pump. Fake. Shot. No good. Rebound by Banta. Banta. Shot. No good. Rebound by jersey number 31. Is stolen by Solis. Pass to Jesus. No good again. Valenzuela, pass to Jesus. Pass to Fred. Fred, pass to Solis. Pass to jersey number 30, Sebua. Ginelli pa. Sebua pa rin, Butataka, nakuha ni Banta. Binigay kay Padilla, pass to Magpili. Pass to Padilla, fire sports win. No good. Here comes Banta. Banta pa rin napitangan ng bola. Binigay kay jersey number 31, shot. No good again. Solis, sinangat, wala, nakuha ni Padilla. Pass to Magpili. Pass to Padilla. 2 points para kay Padilla. Here comes Solis. Pass to Jesus. Jesus, umikot-ikot, tinangat. Using the glass, 2 points. Last 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Haller, 3 points. Hold the ball rep, substitution. Fred pa rin napitangan ng bola, pinigay kay Jesus. Jesus sa ilalim, minangat, wala. Rebound by Padilla. Is stolen by Fred. binigay kay Jerus, inangat. Wala pa rin, nakuha ni Jerus, wala pa rin, nakuha ni Fred. Wala pa rin, nakuha ni Fred pa rin. Binigay kay Solis, pump, fake, shot, foul. Who's foul rep? Jersey number 31 committed. First personal foul. First try para kay Solis. Basket is good. Time left 3 minutes and 26 seconds. Second try. No good. Here comes jersey number 28. Pass to Padilla. Binigay kay Banta. Banta, binigay kay Magpili for 3. No good. Valenzuela. Pass to Jerus. Pass to Solis. Yun na nga, 2 points. Banta. Banta pa rin ang bentanga ng bola. Binigay kay Magpili. Magpili. Full of J. 2 points for Magpili. Valenzuela bring down the ball. Valenzuela sending the play right now. Pass to Jerus. Got it by Banta. Jerus shot. But there's a foul, jersey number 20, Banta. First personal foul. First try para kay Jerus, no good. Second try. No good again. Rebound by jersey number 31. Pass to Banta. Pass to Magpili. Back to Banta. Using the glass. No good. Rebound by Fred. Fred guarded by jersey number 28. Fred. Bring down the ball. Third ball. All the ball rep substitution. Caparas in. Cebua out. Here comes Banta. Last 2 minutes. Basket is good. All the ball rep substitution. Dizon in. Timeout. Binondo Aces. Time left 1 minute and 38 seconds. Dizoni found the ball, pass to Magpili. Magpili. Pass to jersey number 3, Dizon. Back to Magpili. Pass to Padilla. Fires for 3. No good. Here comes Jerus. Pass to Fred is stolen by Dizon. Dizon pass to jersey number 28. Pass to outside. Last 1 minute and 3 seconds. Here comes Solis. Solis. Pass to Fred. Pass to Caparas. No good. Rebound by Caparas again, but there's a foul. Jersey number 28 committed second personal foul. 2 shots para kay Caparas. Last 45 seconds. First try, no good. Second try. No good again. Here comes Magpili. Magpili, pump, shot, no good. Rebound by Magpili again. Magpili, guarded by Valenzuela. Magpili dribbling the ball. Is stolen by Valenzuela. Pass to jersey number 28. Last 20 seconds. Here comes Fred. Fred, nagalangan, binigay kay Jesus. Pass to Solis for 3 points. Last 5 seconds. Last 3, 2, 1. End of the first half.
The Philippines is an archipelago of over 7,000 islands, and shipping is the lifeblood of our nation. Over 3 million TEUs of cargo pass through Philippine ports every year, and a major part of this is serviced by Philippines Pan-Asia Carrier Corporation, one of the nation's leading domestic cargo carriers. Originally established in 1973 by founder Don Sulpicio Go, Pan-Asia has, for the last 50 years, helped build the nation's economy by transporting goods from every industry, by moving cargo from centrally located ports into the most distant parts of the country, and by shipping the goods that touch the lives of every Filipino. Philippines Pan-Asia Carrier Corporation is one of the nation's leading domestic cargo carriers. And our vision is to be our clients' most trusted cargo logistics partner. We deliver consistent value for partners through a reliable, efficient, and easy customer experience in inter-island cargo logistics. And we forge strong relationships with our talents, customers, suppliers, shareholders, and communities by building on the values of integrity and trust. For over 50 years, Pan-Asia has been guided by the values of its founders and central to its success. The values of integrity, excellence, innovation, and customer centricity. Today, Pan-Asia offers its customers one of the most significant shipping capacities in the country. Its fleet of 19 cargo vessels is the largest container shipping fleet in the Philippines. All of our vessels are IAX certified with international standards of quality and safety. Pan-Asia operates in 16 ports nationwide, which cater to up to
Sebua, pass to Fred. Fred for 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 17. Pass to Padilla. Padilla. Pass to Carlos. Carlos. Carlos pa rin. Last. Second, personal foul. First, team foul. Valenzuela, pass to Solis. Shot, no good. Rebound by jersey number 31. Is stolen by Valenzuela. Pass to Solis. Pass to Fred. Fred, nakuha na ng jersey number 31. Pass to Dizon. Dizon, Philip J. no good. Rebound by Carlos. Pass to jersey number 17. Pass to Padilla, no good. Nakuha ni Cebua. Traveling violation. Last 14 seconds to shoot. Bato sa foul, foul rep. Jersey number 30, Cebua committed third personal foul. Last 10 seconds. Here comes Valenzuela. Stolen by Dizon. Dizon pass to jersey number 31. Shot no good. Rebound by Solis. But there's a foul. Jersey number 17 committed first personal foul. Holdable ref substitution. Time left 7 minutes and 28 seconds. First try, basket is good. Second try. Basket is good again. Banta basu Carlos. Fires for 3, no good. Rebound by jersey number 73, Maderal looking for his teammates. Maderal pa rin, nakuha na ni Carlos. Last 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Here comes Solis for 3. Her ball. Padilla inbound the ball. Pass to Banta. Banta pa rin ang bentangan ng bola. Banta pass to Padilla. Try for 3. No good. Here comes Valenzuela. Valenzuela tying at the middle, laser up, no good. Banta nagmamadali, binigay kay Padilla at the middle, no good again. Rebound by Banta using the glass, 2 points. Last 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Here comes Solis. Pass to Maderal. Shot no good. Rebound by jersey number 20. Shot no good. Rebound by jersey number 1, Solis pass to Maderal sa ilalim. Fake foul. Holdable ref substitution. Pasok na po lahat ng papasok. First try for Maderal, no good. Second try. Basket is good. Here comes Banta. Banta pass to Magpili, no good. Rebound by Haller. Haller, no good. Rebound by Herus. Pass to Madaral. Pass to Solis. Solis. Pass to Fred. Fred looking for his teammates. Fred pass to Solis. Solis pump. Fake shot, but there's a foul. Jersey number 31. Committed third. Personal foul. Time left 4 minutes and 30 seconds. First try, no good. Second try. No good again. Here comes jersey number 31. Pass to Banta. Binigay kay Fred. Pass to Caparas. Maderal. Pass to Herus. Pump. Shot. 2 points. For Herus. Here comes Banta. Pass to is stolen by Fred. Pass to Herus. Pass to Maderal. Maderal. Full of chain. No good. Magpili, wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Haller. 2 points. Good. Solis. Pass to Fred. Pass to Herus. Herus, jersey number 6. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Herus dancing with the wrong song. Traveling violation. All the ball ref substitution. Timeout. Ballers. Magpili, pass to Haller, no good. Rebound by Fred. Fred. Jersey number 28, pass to Banta. Pass to jersey number 2, Magpili. Pass to Haller, 2 points para kay Haller. Here comes Banta. Banta pass to Padilla using the glass, 2 points. Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Here comes Herus. Herus pa rin. Agawan ni jersey number 28. Pass to Haller. Last 2 minutes exactly. But there's a foul. Jersey number first, personal foul. First try, no good. second try. And no good again. Rebound by Haller using the class again. Sa ilalim, 2 points. Here comes Maderal. Maderal, pass to Fred. Pass to Jesus. 2 points. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Here comes Banta, pass to Magpili. No good. Pass to Fred, pass to Maderal. Back to Fred. Fred setting the play right now. Fred looking for his teammates. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Time left, last 1 minute exactly. Here comes Padilla, pass to Banta, all alone shot, 2 points. He score 39-25, 14-point lead para sa Ballers. Last 40 seconds. Padilla, shot no good, but there's a foul. Jersey number 28. Third personal foul. Last 36 seconds. Here comes Maderal. Maderal. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Erus sa ilalim. Nakalibre. A little short. Rebound by jersey number 28. Pass to Banta. Last 20 seconds. Hey, 2 points. Para kay Banta. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Sebua. Binigay kay Fred. Last 5 seconds. Fred, 3 points. Officially score 41-20.
Here at Span Asia Carrier, we work hard to improve our reliability and capacity, aiming to deliver your shipments on time. Span Asia 37, our geared vessel with a spacious 614 TEUs capacity at 15 knots and 30% faster than our other Span Asia vessel. And Span Asia 53, powered by twin-engine propulsion and gearless technology, doubling our standard capacity to 629 TEUs. We offer 7 shipping services. Partner with us today. Philippine Span Asia Carrier Corporation. Moving with you.
Last quarter of the game.
Hindi na, pre. Kami lang 8-10 na lang. Ang 8-10 lang.
Green ball. Magpili, pass to Banta. Pass to Carlos, back to Magpili. 2 points for Magpili. He's stolen by Padilla. Padilla guarded by Valenzuela. Pass to Magpili, pass to Banta. 2 points for Banta. Unti-unti na lumalayo ang kalamangan ng CY7 Ballers kontra Binondo Aces. Here comes Sebua. Pass to Jesus at the middle. Back to Sebua. Shot. No good. Rebound by jersey number 17. Pass to Magpili. Pass to Padilla. No good. Rebound by Valenzuela. Pass to Solis. 2 points para kay Solis. Here comes jersey number 20. Banta. Pass to Carlos. Tries for 3. No good. Rebound by Padilla. 3-point shot at the corner. 3 points. Bali 5 points pala yun. Para kay... Good. Fred, pass to Solis. Solis using the glass, but there's a foul. Jersey number 17 committed second personal foul. 2 shots para kay Solis. First try, basket is good. Second try. Basket is good again. Here comes Magpili. Magpili, pass to Banta. Banta attacking at the middle. Pass to jersey number 17, denied by Valenzuela. Pass to Padilla. No good, rebound by Jesus. Jesus bring down the ball. Pass to Solis. His pass to Magpili, pass to Carlos. Nabitawan ng bola, binigay kay Banta. Ang lakas. Buti na lang, nandun si Padilla. Here comes Padilla. Take. Pass to Banta. Pass to Magpili. 2 points. Up to 20 points. Ang CY7 Bowlers kontra Binondo Aces. Basket is good para kay Jesus. Time left. 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Banta, pass to Magpili, pass to Padilla for 3. Her ball, rebound by Fred. Fred, bring down the ball. Fred, pass to Sebua. Inangat, wala na, kuha ni Banta. Bata pa rin nabetangan ng bola. Banta, iniagis kay Magpili. Magpili, pass to jersey number 26, 2 points. Here comes Fred. 14 seconds to shoot. Outside on the ball left. Substitution. Pasok na po lahat ng papasok. Seconds to shoot. Solis for 3. No good. Rebound by Dizon. Backs to jersey number 28. Pass to Dizon using the glass. 2 points. Sebua. Pass to Jesus looking for his teammates. Back to Sebua. Guarded by jersey number 17. No good. Rebound by Solis. Shot. Foul. Plus a basket. Jersey number 28. Warning to graduate. Time left. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Last throw, no good. Rebound by jersey number 9. Pass to Dizon. Umipit ang bola. Nakuha ni Valenzuela. Binigay kay Jesus. Outside. Here comes Magpili. Fake. He's stolen by outside. The ball goes to same ball. CY7 Ballers. Last 10 seconds to shoot. Last 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by jersey number 30, Sebua. Sebua pa rin nabetangan ng bola. Sebua looking for his teammates. Pass to Valenzuela. Pass to Solis. Fires for Chewy. Her ball, rebound by jersey number 28. Pass to Magpili. Magpili, stop and shoot. No good. Rebound by Dizon. Back to Magpili. Pass to Carlos. Carlos, last 8 seconds to shoot. Last 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebound by Banta. Pass to Magpili. 3 points. Time left. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Here comes Cerus. Pass to Valenzuela. Shot using the glass. 2 points. Is stolen by Heru. Shot. Basket is good. Dead ball po ang sub. Dead ball. Here comes jersey number 2. Magpili. Magpili fires for 3, no good. Rebound by jersey number 17. Pass to Dizon. Looking for his teammates. Back to Magpili. Pass to jersey number 28. Traveling violation. Hold the ball ref. Substitution. Timeout. CY7 ballers. Solis. 2 points para kay Solis. Last 2 minutes. Here comes Fred. Freddy. No good. Rebound by jersey number 17. Pass to jersey number 20. Banda pass to jersey number 28. Is stolen by Valenzuela. Valenzuela nagmamadali. Inangat. Wala. Nakuha ni jersey number 17. Pass to Dizon. Dizon. Pass to Banta. Banta binigay kay Haller for 3 points. Time left. Last 1 minute and 10 seconds. Ayan na yung bagyo. Jersey number 30. Pass to jersey number 31. 2 points. Last 55 seconds. Rebound by Dizon. Pass to Banta. Pass to jersey number 23. Pass to jersey number 28. P. Pass to Dizon. Nagawa ni Banta. Last 30 seconds. Here comes Solis. For 3, no good. Rebound by Fred. 2 points. Last 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. End of the game,